Hey guys, Dan here back with another episode of MotorMutt Garage. Alright, so today has absolutely nothing to do with engines, horsepower, or anything really fun. But instead, I wanted to talk about computers. So a few days ago, I was editing some clips and I was doing college homework and everything else. And then I was trying to save to my desktop and it said that my local C drive was completely full. Well, when it fills up, your computer is unable to download updates that are important to ensure that your computer operates correctly. So I knew that there had to be a way to turn my desktop storage space into a different drive, because I have a 4 terabyte memory storage on my computer that wasn't being used at all. Looking on the internet, trying to look on YouTube and everywhere else, I wasn't really able to find a solution to help me change the desktop storage drive location or my primary storage location in general for future content. After several attempts in restoring my computer back to a previous data point 3 or 4 times, I think I figured it out. So hang in there and we'll try to get you going. First, we will go into the left-hand bottom corner into the search bar and type storage. We will click storage settings. This will bring up your storage settings menu. Here you will see your local disk C, how large it is. Mine is 500 gigabytes, and what is occupying that storage space. We want to go to more storage settings where it says change where new content is saved, highlighted in blue, click that. Here is where you will change your storage location. Yours will say local disk C. You'll change it to your preferred storage location. Once you have selected it, it will say apply, click that. Once you've done so to all categories that you want to change, you are finished with there. Then you can exit out of the storage menu. For this, we will need 2 file explorers. One is going to be for your local disk C, and then one for your new storage location. Your new storage location will not have these files in there yet because you have not created them. I have already done this process, so that's why my files are already there. So for this, you will try to grab your users folder and drag it into your new storage location. If that does not work, do not be alarmed, it is okay. You're going to come over here, create a users folder. You can do so by either hitting new folder or right click new and then folder. Once you have created your user folder, you'll go to your C drive, double click, you will see that there is a folder that has your computer's name. Mine is DJ_ha, and then a public folder. We will not need the public folder, only the computer's personal folder. So again, if you're unable to drag, create a new folder inside your new drive, and then double click on your C drive. Again, here you will see that the files have already been transferred over. If you were not able to click and drag or highlight and drag, again, do not be alarmed. The important folder that we're worried about at the moment is the OneDrive. So you will notice on the OneDrive there is desktop and there is a blue icon. If you double click that, then you'll have your folders on the inside. I've already deleted the files on my desktop on the C drive. So when I go to my D drive over here, that is where you see all my new storage locations. What you're going to want to do is on your C drive, again, you'll want to try to highlight and drag into your new storage drive. Again, if you're unable to, it's not a big deal. simply start dragging onesies and twosies at a time. Delete them as you go. You may receive an error saying that you do not have enough disk space in your local C drive. Once you're able to start transferring these over and you verify that they have transferred over, you can start deleting them out of your C drive to start opening up space. At any point, if you had any issues, you should have already made your backup and created a new restore point on your system. Once you've gotten to the point where you're able to transfer everything over, you're going to notice that your computer desktop folders will most likely disappear. On your new drive, your desktop icon is going to be a folder. It's not going to be a blue screen display as mine. C drive, you're going to see desktop, you're going to go to properties, you're going to go to location, and then you're going to type in D instead of C, or whatever letter your drive is. Mine does not show this because I've already done it. Whereas if I come to my new shared drive, you'll see that everything is here. Once you've put in your new drive letter, you'll hit apply and OK, and it's going to ask you if you really want to move it. So for example, if I come over here, location, and say I wanted to switch it back to my C drive. So if I wanted to switch it back to my C drive, I would say find target, and then you'll see over here on the other screen, it highlighted it. I would hit apply, and it would ask, do you want to move all of your files from this old location to the new location? You will say yes. This is not going to change your folders, I don't believe. Or if you don't have the folders already in there, then it's going to be chaos on your desktop. So again, it's very important to transfer your folders first, or your files will exit out of the folders and individually be on your desktop. And again, it will be chaos, it will be madness, and you'll most likely have to reset your computer to a previous restore point. You'll hit yes, and it's going to transfer your apps. But at that point, your folder should reappear. As you can see, mine disappeared actually, because now it thinks that I'm going to my C folder and I'm not. So we will, to give you an example, we'll hit apply, we'll say yep, we'll say no, we're going to OK, and then you'll see all my folders reappeared on my desktop, not in the order that I had them in. So that's pretty awesome. Once you have done that, that is basically the beans of it. You go through, transfer everything from your C drive to your new your new storage drive, and then you start deleting the stuff out of your local disk C drive. When you come over to your desktop, how you can verify, you can go to click a folder, click properties, and you'll want to verify that it does say location and then your new drive location that you do choose. I hope this video has helped you out. Please leave a comment below and like and subscribe.